Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed my last video. So this time we'll be looking at 10 shortcuts for your laptop part 2. For those of you that tried the stuff in the last video, you'll find out that it's very interesting, and I'm very sure that you want more. So that's why I'm here to give you more today. So we'll be looking at 10 operational shortcuts for your laptop. If you have not done this, make sure you like this video, click on the subscribe button below and turn on your notification. Let's dive into business. So we are back to this amazing part of this video. So yeah, I'll be showing you 10 shortcuts for your laptops. So the first shortcut that I'll be showing here, well, before I turn this shortcut, please permit me to display my on-screen keyboard so that you can see what I'm explaining here. Very good. So the first shortcut that I'll be showing you is Windows R. Windows R means run, like R basically means run. So Windows R is like maybe you want to run a program. So now let's assume that I want to just open my VLC. VLC is an application for watching videos on your laptop. So I can just press Windows Run. When I press Windows plus Run, I can see a pop-up at the bottom left here, and this pop-up I can just search for VLC and press enter or OK. When I do that, can you see that my VLC has popped up? So I don't need to go and start searching for VLC. Just click on Windows R. Then let me try for something else. Let me try to open my Chrome browser. So if I type Chrome, CHROME, and I press OK or enter, can you see that my Chrome browser has opened? So it's very simple and very easy to work with. So whatever it is that you want to run on your on your computer or your laptop, just press Windows R, then type it there, and it's going to bring it out. In our last video too, remember I showed you how to check the system properties of your laptop using the DirectX diagnostics. You can also run it too here with this shortcut. So just type Windows R and type DiagG and press OK or enter on your keyboard. When you do that, it's going to show you the DirectX diagnostics. Can you see? So this is the first shortcut for you. So the second shortcut for you is Windows CMD. CMD is just the short form of command, more like you saying Windows command. So I'm going to press Windows on my keyboard. So just press Windows, tap it once, Windows. So I press CMD. This Windows CMD is basically the command prompts of my system. So what can I do on Windows CMD? So now I've opened the command prompt. So you don't need to be afraid, because I know this looks like something that is way beyond what you can do, but trust me, it's something very easy. So let's assume that I also want to check my system properties using this Windows CMD or this command prompt. I'll just type msinfo 32, and I type msinfo32 and press enter. It's going to show me my system information. So these are just shortcuts to do so many things on your laptop. There are so many things you can press on this Windows command, and it will show you a lot of things. Even on this Windows command, you can need to know your password. You can explore with this part. So the third shortcut that I'll be showing you is the Ctrl-Alt-Delete. What is this Ctrl-Alt-Delete used for? The Ctrl-Alt-Delete is used to interrupt a function. Let's assume that I'm running this. Let me try to open an application on my laptop. Okay, let me open this. Let me open Google Chrome. Now this Google Chrome is showing me all this. You show me who wants to use or who is using Google Chrome. So that's not even the main point. So the main point is that assuming that I'm working on my laptop or my computer and is running very slow, like it's lagging behind, it's not processing its speed faster. So I can use the Ctrl-Delete to interrupt the function and know why my computer is running very slow. So I'm going to press Ctrl. Don't remove your hand from it. When you press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete, and you'll see what your system will show you. So let me do that right now. Ctrl Alt and Delete. So when I press Ctrl Delete, it showed me it brought me to this place, and here I can see an option of either locking my system, I can switch the user, I can try to sign out, change a password, and task manager. Now let me show you something very interesting about this task manager. When I click on task manager, this part can show me all the software that are running in the background of my computer, and I can see their performance. Oh, this one is taking 60% of my computer's memory, this one is taking XYZ%, and you begin to know whether you want to cut off some tasks or you want to continue with them. So let me just let me take off this Windows command task. So I'm going to take it off. Maybe I'm assuming that this Windows command is taking space, or is processing it, is carrying out some operations at the background of my system, and it's making my system lag behind. So I just click on end task, and once I do that, my system will just automatically stop its the processing activity that command prompt is doing. So I'm going to go back to my desktop in the D. I think I've taught you that in the previous shortcut. So the next shortcut that I'll be showing you here is how to lock my computer. Like, you don't need to press too many things to lock your computer. Just click on Windows plus L. When you press Windows plus L, your computer will just lock, and you need a password to unlock it. I'm not going to try that right now, because if I do that, my computer is going to get locked, and this video is going to it's going to go out. So I'm not going to try that, but you can try that on your own computer. Windows L, that's Windows lock, to lock your computer. The next one, which is number 5, is how to turn on alarm on your computer. That is very, very simple. Just click on Windows A. So click on Windows plus A, and here you can see. Okay, let me try it again, because this screen keyboard was distracting. I'm going to do that again. Windows A. Now can you see that this part is showing alarm? So this is how to just set the alarm on my computer. Is that not interesting? Yes, it is interesting. How do I open File Explorer on my computer or laptop? That is very, very simple. Just Explorer starts with letter E. So just click on Windows E, and boom, you are going to see File Explorer. Then from here you can open folder, you can start to open pictures, videos, and the likes. So it's as simple as that. It is very, very simple. So Windows E to open File Explorer. So the other one that I'll be showing you here is how to screenshot with your laptop. How do you make a screenshot with your laptop or with your computer? To make a screenshot, just look at your keyboard. You are going to see something or a particular button that is PRTSCR. This is it here on the desktop. PRTSCR. Okay, SCN. This one is showing SCN. Some other laptops or system will show you SCR. Basically, what that means is print screen. So how do you make a screenshot on your computer? Just press Windows and press that print screen button. Once you do that, you see that your computer can make a screenshot. Now when your computer has made a screenshot, how do you know where the thing where the screenshot got saved? This is very simple. I'm going to open a File Explorer, that is Windows E, that I just taught you a few minutes ago. Windows E, and I'll go to Pictures. When I click on Pictures, I'll be able to see screenshots. So this screenshot here can show me what I just screenshotted. Let me try to open it, and I'm going to see the last thing I screenshotted, which is this. Can you see what I just screenshotted now? So this is amazing. This is really, really amazing. Don't you like it? I know you do. So let us go to the next thing on our plan or agenda for today. So let me just do a quick recap. You have learned Windows R, which is to run. You have learned Windows CMD, which is the Windows command prompt. You have learned the Control Alt Delete, which is to interrupt a function. You have learned the Windows L, which is to lock your computer. You have learned the Windows A, which is to turn on alarm on your computer or laptop. You have learned the Windows E, which is to open a File Explorer. You have also learned the Windows plus print screen, which is to make a screenshot on your computer. Now that you have known how to make a screenshot on your computer, how do you also make a screen record on your computer? Don't worry yourself. I'm going to teach you that. So let me just try to open my Google Chrome browser here. So this is my YouTube channel, and I'm going to click on Windows G. So Windows G is the shortcut key for me to make a screen record on my computer. So I'm going to press Windows G, and can you see that some things popped up at the front here? So here I can see my widget menu. So I can try to click on audio, capture, and some other stuff. I can also use this Windows G to record my games. For instance, if I'm playing game on my laptop, maybe some kind of adventurous games and and I want to catch the moment, so I can use this Windows G to record that. But just to click on record, for you to record or do a screen record, just click on this start recording. The moment you click on start recording, you see something like this right here that shows your capture status, meaning what? Your screen is now being recorded. So you can record your screen and get other things done. So another way to get this screen record is also by pressing Windows R. That means Windows record. So you can also do that. If you try that can also work for you. So let me close this and move to the next agenda. So now that you know how to do a screen record, the next thing that you might want to know how to do, or you want to learn, is how to create a new folder. In time past, if people want to create new folders, they just come to their desktop, they right click, then they go to new, then they go to folder. That's kind of long for me. So basically, one of the shortest way to create a new folder is to press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Ctrl plus Shift plus N. So when you press Ctrl plus Shift or plus N, automatically a new folder is going to open on your computer. So let me try so that you can see it. Ctrl Shift N. Yeah, good. That's it. I'll just rename it to let me just save it as my workspace, and boom, we have it there. I'll delete it and try it again so that you can see that it's not like a trial and error that I'm doing. So I'm going to delete this workspace, and I'll try it again. So I'm going to press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. This time I'll make sure I press it very well and I don't miss out any key. So Ctrl Shift N. Can you see? Yeah, we have a new folder that is displaying. I can also rename it as anything. And boom, we are good to go. Can you see that? Yep. So the next thing, or the next shortcut that you want to learn, is how to know the display properties of your computer. How do you know display properties of your computer? That is very simple. Just type Windows plus U. Windows. Okay, let me just bring out this keyboard so that you can see. Okay, so I'm going to press Windows plus U. So Windows U. When I click on Windows U, I can see the display properties of my computer. Yeah, I can tend to make my text to be bigger, so that everything can be bold, for people, that want a bigger kind of font size for their text. Yeah, I can also, show animation in Windows, show transparency, just do a lot of settings. I can reduce the brightness of my system and increase it back just at this property. I can also look at the color settings and make adjustments to them, do so many wonderful things using this. So the shortcut to accessing the display settings of your system is Windows U. Is that not amazing? Yes, it is amazing. So the last one that I'll be looking at, or we'll be doing today, is how to project my computer to another screen. Maybe for instance, now you want to project your computer to maybe a projector or something else. It's very, very simple. Just press Windows plus P. Windows P. And when you click on Windows P, you can see options of PC screen only, duplicate, extend, second screen only, connect a wireless display, and the like. So this is how to project your computer to another screen without you, thinking, hey, how do I do this? So this is very easy. I hope you have learned something new today, and I hope you also apply it in your day-to-day activities. If you have not done this, make sure you like this video, click on the subscribe button below, and turn on the notification.